To make this integration, I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select Freshsales. Give your account URL and API token. So go to your Freshsales site and go to API setting. After Google verification, copy the API key and account URL and paste those in the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a module. Select a account view. Select account. Now, map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Freshsales page and refresh the page. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Freshsales. Thanks for watching this video.